Alright guys, back on the MR50, we're going to put the engine in today and finish the front end. Also thought I'd show you the side covers and the tank. Give you a little sneak preview of that. New cap, new paint, new decals. Yeah, that's much better.
Just cut it off about right there then. Just before, just lay right down in there.
Okay. Scissors or...
You got two bolts. Where'd they come from?
I just gave them to you.
Yeah, but where'd they come from?
Right here.
There's one longer.
No, they're both the same, aren't they?
No, they're...
Okay, well the longer one's got to be the airbox because it's got the airbox goes on the end of it.
Grab you a screwdriver.
Got it? Yep. Not big enough. Okay. Oh, go. Okay, go. Yep. Okay. That worked.
$13? Oh, I grabbed you 12. Oh, here's 13.
Is it really?
That one is. And the bottom's
Bigger. This is going to be a little more difficult because it's a locking bolt nut. Close it. We're locking that.
It's getting easier.
Yeah, the locking part of the nut's wearing in. That'll happen there. Ready? One more. Click. Get yourself again. She's in there. I think we went a little bit over. Tiny bit.
Satisfactory.
Yep. I wouldn't see a problem. Nope. That wasn't a problem. Why does that?
Yep. Yep.
Sounds good. One more. See if we worked any oil around.
No, wait a minute. There's something going on here.
More oil coming out than you put in.
Go ahead and crack us some more. Let's get some of that oil out of here.
That sounds good. Feels good too.
Let's see what it does in neutral.
I said straight. Cut it straight. Don't listen very well. Come on. There you go. Thank you. Boot. Okay. That's easy. It's raining. Oh, I see it now. Do the thing again. What in the hell? I can't see it when you're turning it that way. I'm not saying it's not happening, I can't see it. Okay, now I do.
Oh, we're going the wrong way.
Okay.
It don't make spark records.
No, it doesn't. Yeah.
Okay.
I wouldn't say that's the greatest spark in the world, but there is a spark there.
What do you mean?
It's
That's
okay.
all a hot blue one.
It's a top blue, it's just very tiny. If I didn't get it on the camera, trust me guys, it's making spark. It's a little difficult to do that.
Absolutely effing amazing.
It is amazing that the first time we put it together, because we did put a new coil on it and new electrics all the way around, so that is pretty amazing.
And
And it's a Chinese coil, which makes it even more amazing.
and also it's repaired wires inside the.
Right, yeah.
Everything else fits.
Sonny, what do you think? Sonny. Sonny, quit eating crap. It's a tissue, dog. What do you think, Sonny? Is that amazing? Sonny, what do you think? What do you think? No opinion? Okay, you just want that tissue back. It's right in the center there, isn't it?
Right there.
Yep.
Just that's tight enough, really. Okay, the short one works. So take those two back.
Harley crankcase oil, right? Basically.
It's Lucas.
Yeah, but it's got a V-twin on it. That means it's hard for Harleys. So it's got to be thick because, you know, Harley's tolerances are loose. Ish. Loose-ish. Alright, 75 cc, not milliliters, right?
Yeah. Is that wiped out?
I just wiped it out, yeah.
Does it?
No, it's not thinner than 30 weight, but it's not. You got drain holes. Worst case, you can drain it out. Put the right stuff in there. If it leaks. Just fits. Alright, going to fork. I said go in the fork, not runneth over. Problem is that the hole down there is smaller than the other one's the same size as this, isn't it? Maybe not. There we go. Now we're thinking. Go within the hole.
That makes me think that they got that number plate reversed, that this thing should be on the other side. The way the cable goes. Very. My brain don't work like that.
Go. Yep. Makes more sense to me anyway.
Clutch cable comes through there.
Throttle.
Plus, you just bought some.
Outer plate. Simply go over.
Just go there. And over on that side.
And we'll put it at wide open throttle. So this thing is a it's a speed controller for your kid basically. You got a minimum and maximum. So you got a little nib in here that catches the throttle and prevents it from going too far. And you can set it to wide open or for little kids. We're going to set it at maximum right now. Because the first person that rides this isn't going to be a little kid. Well, he's going to feel like a little kid, but he's not going to be a little kid.
If anybody rides it.
Yeah.
Fragile. Ships easy.
I did.
There. Just, yeah, that would definitely make it easier.
Well, the reason I put the spacers in is because the shocks weren't lining up properly.
Yeah.
But with the seat spacer, those shocks line up. All right. Another episode. Next time, maybe we'll have it running. It's pretty close.
Somebody's got to build the car. I guess I could do that.
Oh yeah, we gotta make a O-ring, don't we? For that.
Yep.
You'll get to see us make an O-ring for the carburetor. Somebody will do it. Well, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.